How to create charts and graphs in Microsoft Excel? Open your Microsoft Excel workbook. Select the data you want to include in your chart, including the headers. Go to the Insert tab. Choose the type of chart you want to create, such as column, line, or pie. From the presented options, click on the specific chart style you prefer to insert it. Once the chart is inserted, use the options in the automatically appearing Chart Design and Format tabs to customize its design, layout, and formatting. Visualizing data with charts and graphs makes it easier to understand patterns and insights. Done.